What's up, you guys? John Newfer, lender, mentor, and trainer. And today we are in a video 4 of a 12-part series all about brokering private money and commercial mortgage loans. Let's get into it. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the simplicity of the business of private money and commercial loan brokering. A lot of people overcomplicate this business. They think private money loan brokering is some complex, high-level finance career that takes years to master. It actually just comes down to a few simple steps, and that's it. If you can follow these 3 simple steps that we're going to provide you, you're going to be able to run a successful private money and commercial loan brokerage. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step. So by the end of this video, you're going to realize just how straightforward and doable this business really is. All right, now step 1 is sourcing the deal. Every deal starts in the exact same way. You need to find a borrower that needs funding for an investment property. But the good thing is, you don't have to chase people down or beg for business. The reality is there are thousands of investors out there looking for private money loans every single day. And here's exactly how you find them. Real estate investors and house flippers. These people need fast, flexible financing that banks just won't provide. Landlords and buy and hold investors. Many of these investors use DSCR loans to scale their portfolio. And then finally, there's commercial developers and business owners. These are clients that need funding for multifamily, retail, and mixed-use properties. And once you know exactly where to look and how to position yourself, you're going to see how easy it is to actually get good deals everywhere you look. Step 2 is placing the deal. Once you have a borrower, the next step is matching them to the right lender. Now, this is where a lot of new brokers get stuck. They don't know where to take their deals. There are plenty of online placement tools throughout the internet that will actually match a lender to your deal based on the parameters you set. The problem with those placement tools is that they're paid placement programs, which basically means the only lenders that will show up in the search tools are the highest paying lenders. All you really need is 3 nationwide lenders in the 3 top categories for investment properties: fix and flip lender, a DSCR lender, and a commercial bridge lender. Once you have the right lenders in place, it becomes more of a plug-and-play system. You send the deal in, you get term sheets back, and you move forward. No guessing, no confusion, just matching deals to the right funding sources. And then finally, step 3 is funding the deal and getting paid. This is the very best part. When the deal closes, you get paid. And here's exactly what happens. The loan gets approved, documents are signed, and funds are wired to the borrower. Your commission is listed on the HUD, which is the settlement statement. And once the deal funds, title pays you directly, just like a real estate agent gets paid at closing. It's the exact same way. And just like that, you just made $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 for brokering your one deal. If you get 4 deals per month, that's over $250,000 a year. 8 deals per month, that's $500,000 a year. And once you have your system in place, the process becomes repeatable and scalable. Now, I know some of you are probably thinking it can't be that easy. It can't be just as simple as finding a borrower, placing the loan, and getting paid. There has to be something missing, right? Well, honestly, the biggest thing that holds people back is just overthinking it. I've seen so many people get stuck either in analysis paralysis by overthinking deals instead of taking action, or fear by doubting themselves before they even start, or sometimes just trying to figure it all out alone, wasting months when they could have just been closing deals. Now, the good thing is you don't have to learn it the hard way. You can shortcut your success by following a proven system that already works, which we'll talk about later in the video. Now, why is private loan brokering so simple? You see, this business is simple because it's based on a proven model that's actually been working for over a century. There will always be borrowers who need capital. There will always be lenders to fund the deals. And your job is simply to connect them both and get paid. If you can follow these 3 simple steps, source the deal, place it with a lender, and fund it, you can succeed at this business. So now you see just how simple this business really is. The only question left over is why not start? You don't need a license, you don't need a finance degree, and you really just need the right roadmap for success. And that's exactly why we built our Private Money Accelerator, to help new brokers start their brokerage and not have to dig through the muck like we did when we were starting out. So if you're ready to start closing deals, build a business with unlimited potential, click the link below, join us today. And don't forget, I've got a special bonus coming at the end of this 12-part series. So just keep watching and you'll get a ton of value out of it. Next up, we're going to be talking about the scalability of this business. So if I told you you could start today and just in a few years be running a national brokerage or even become a lender yourself, you're going to want to watch the next video. So be sure not to miss it. I'll see you there.